feels endless, the stars fade away. I hold on to hope for another day. Through every tear, through every pain, we'll rebuild again and again and again.